The more time we spend in nature, the better we understand how it works. The better we understand how creation works. And mostly, it is just about connection and about knowing how to survive and survive well, not by fighting another species, but by sharing resources. This is how nature works, by sharing resources, by understanding each other's needs and seeing how to stabilize the environment without having to fight for it, basically sharing the space through connectivity. This is the best example to live. It's to follow the example of nature and creation for a better life for all.